Rockin', Real takes at Julie's breaks. Shout out to the cod crew. Julie's breaks will please you. But this is a land kraken. The land kraken. But this is a land kraken. But this.
Hi and welcome. Let's go. Gonna do a boat rip. It's kind of windy, but hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. So we're at Maple Lake near Crookston, Minnesota. It's about 50 miles from the North Dakota border. My parents have had this place since 1978 and been coming here for a long time. Always has great fishing. Was just fishing earlier, got some sunnies. So there's one of my kayaks, another rack. This beat up umbrella, I got up to shade the buckets with the fish. It's kind of hot. So, you can see, can't really see them. There's a couple sunnies in there. I got the net over to keep them from jumping out. But we've got this Crestliner. I think this is from about 2015. My father bought it before he passed away. So I'm now half owner of this. But we're going to rip in the lift here because it's very, very windy out there. And also have problems with the electrical sometimes. So if you go out and anchor and it doesn't restart, that would be bad, especially when it's like this. So we're going to grab a baseball and we're going to rip. Okay, we're in the boat. Got the stand to stand. And we're going to rip this 2024 Topps Series 2 hanger. I got it at Target in Woodbury, Minnesota a while back. I haven't got to ripping it yet. What's that cranky battery? It's actually brand new, but some electrical thing keeps getting like run down. So I got this battery maintainer. This works really, really well. So that's not plugged in right now. It'd be lit up green if it was. But a bit more of this fishing boat here. So let's get this open. Okay, again it's like windy, but hopefully this will be okay. So try to get this plastic off. 59 cards. I think this was about $12, something like that. So compared to some of those upper deck blasters for hockey, this is a lot more. So it comes in this like cellophane pack right on the side there. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see too well. It's bright. Alright, got this just huge pile of stuff here. I suppose the good stuff's in the middle. I'm not totally sure. Alright, we got the Rockies team card. I just don't know. Seems like there's too much brightness there. Can I move this? This would be better. Maybe not. Hang on. Alright, let's try this. It was just too bright behind. Alright, we got Javier Assad of the Cubs. Shout out Matty Ice. Got Carlos Rondon on the Yankees. Shout out Collector Holic, Daryl Giordano. Jock Peterson on the Diamondbacks. Will Benson on the Reds. Nick Castellanos on the Phillies. Shout out Phillies fans. Future Stars. Bryce Miller on the Cash and Dad Mariners. Shout out Slappy. Here's a Guardian. David Fry. Love your Pagero. Shout out Zach's Cards and Collections. Davis Daniel. Angel. Got a Nolan Jones Cup card on the Rockies. Some cool neon effect on that one. Giants team card. Shout out Goody G. Yan Gomes on the Cubs. Didn't he used to be a Guardian? DJ LeMahieu, former Cub, now on the Yankees. Ezekiel Tovar, Future Stars. Romy Gonzalez on those last place White Sox. Matt Stram, Philly. And more Rockies. Cards together. That's the rest of our pile. We got so many cards here. Totally don't know where the good stuff is, but Matthew Liberatore, Cardinals. Gabriel Arias, Guardians. Brian Reynolds, Pirates. Victor Vodnik, rookie on the Rockies. So many Rockies here. Charlie Blackmon on the Rockies. But they do have that beautiful neon effect. Hugo Rosario on the Padres. Tyler Cropley, rookie on the Royals. Tyler Stevenson, Reds. Christian Pache, this guy really bounces around, now on the Phillies. Nick Lofton, rookie on the Royals. Ramon Laureano, Guardian. Come on, how come there's no Twins here? So much AL Central. Hunter Renfroe, Royal. Kyle Hurt, Dodger. And so much Rockies. Miguel Toglia, Rocky. Kyle Higashioka, Padre. Hey Tristan, shout out Tristan. We got a Tristan Gray on the Rays. Lance McCullers Jr. on the Astros. Logan Gilbert on the Mariners. Drew Milas, rookie, on the Nationals. Sean Bouchard on the Rockies. Marcus Stroman, Yankee. Edmundo Sosa, Philly. Josh Hader on the Astros. Andre Lipsius. Shout out Sticks G, Lisa Z. There's a Tiger rookie. Alex Cobb, Giant. Reese McGuire, Red Sox. We got a cup card of Spencer Steer on the Reds. Oh, I think this guy's supposed to be good. Heston Kjerstad, rookie on the Orioles. Shout out Card Wolf. Lyndon Richardson, rookie on the Reds. Evan Phillips, Dodger. Lucas Sims, Reds. Jan Moncada, White Sox. There's something backwards. Let's go to the back. We got these yellows. Olivier Pagero, Pirate in the yellow. David Fry, Guardian in the yellow. We got an around the horn insert of David Wright on the Mets. Shout out Pastor Ken G. Alright. We got a bunch of these stars of the game. We got Gunnar Henderson on the Orioles. Nove Marte, rookie. Star of MLB on the Reds. Nolan Arenado on the Cardinals. Alex Bregman on the Astros. And then we got, ooh, look at this beauty. Sandy Koufax on the Dodgers, 35th anniversary. That's the coolest card so far. And then we got these two backwards cards. Flip this one. TRA, Junior Camarino on the Ray's rookie. Insert. And we got a McCutcheon. This was backwards too. Ooh, foily. Andrew McCutcheon on the Pirates. That's also a cool card. So this stuff in the back, I guess, were the hits. So totally fun. I think there were 0 twins though. I don't know what's with that. But definitely fun. And for that price, you can't go wrong. So enjoyed ripping that. Hope you enjoyed checking that out. I've got some more fishing and turtle and stuff footage I shot earlier in the summer. So we're just going to splice that in now. Otherwise though, thanks for watching and checking out our boat rip. Hope you've been having an awesome summer, although it's kind of coming to the end, which nobody wants to see happen. But it just means we're getting closer to the new Allen and Ginter release for baseball and hockey season. So check out this bonus footage, and otherwise take care. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Alright, we're out at Maple Lake, and I've been doing fishing all day. I'm actually fishing right now, but look at these guys. They're just pulling in to check out my fishing. Got some loons. They're pretty close. Shout out a surfer. They're hoping I'm going to give them a fish. Yeah, so totally missed filming the 4-pound bass. That's already in the freezer. But got some sunnies in here. I think they need to be cleaned soon, because they've been in there a while. And we got more sunnies in there. So we got, it's like six total, 3 in each one. Oh, loons are heading out. It's my lake kayak. Boat's supposed to be delivered either tomorrow or on the 4th of July. So, more kayak footage coming. But I guess I better go and clean those fish. Already surfer found a turtle. Though I didn't want to because I was ready to go fishing again. But this must be that same enormous snapping turtle that was begging at the dock last year. I think she's really, really old, because the neighbors reported her laying eggs in their yard a few years ago. And I think she's been here like many, many years, which is huge. And she seems to think I'm going to give her a handout. Yeah, look at you. Getting so close. I haven't seen any baby turtles around though. I mean, we used to, but I haven't seen any this year. He's like, yeah, give me a handout. I'm ready. I don't think so. Where are you going now? Getting behind the boat lift.